going to make a video about giving opinion with the topic social media does more harm than good. So,
Let me introduce our team. My name is Kani Kinasi.
My name is Silva Brianti.
my name is Nadine Rosadehani.
My name is Devara Kanjidara. My name is Nafara Siani Sahidaria.
So yeah.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss an interesting and relevant topic: social media does more harm than good. In today's discussion, we have four panelists with different perspectives. Two panelists agree with the statement, and two others disagree. So, without further ado, let's hear the first opinion from our panelists. Kamina, please share your opinion.
I agree that social media brings more negative impact. One of the main reasons is mental health. Research show that there is a strong relation between the duration of social media use and the level of anxiety. We are stuck in a cycle of looking for validation through likes and comments, which are actually fake and can damage confidence in the long run.
Thank you, Kania, for sharing your perspective about mental health and validation on social media. Now, let's hear the other opinion for agreeing side. Silva, what do you think about this issue?
I agree that social media does more time good because it can waste a lot of time. Many people spend for scrolling every day and forget to focus on studying, working, and talking with family and friends. Social media can also make people compare their life and with others, and this can make time feel unhappy or insecure.
Thank you, Silva. You brought up an important point about productivity and self-comparison. Now, let's move to the opposing side and hear a different perspective regarding this issue. Safa and Devara, please share your thoughts.
From my perspective, I disagree with the statement that social media does more harm than good. First, social media helps people communicate easily. We can stay connected with family and friends anytime and anywhere. It is also useful for students to discuss school assignments and share information quickly.
Okay, and in addition from our team, social media provides not only many educational benefits, people can learn new skills, watch educational content, and access important news from around the world. Many students also use social media to find learning materials and improve their knowledge.
Thank you for the all panelists for sharing your opinion. We have heard different perspectives from both sides. Now let's continue to the rebuttal session when the panelists will respond to each other's argument and defend their opinion more deeply. Please enjoy the discussion.
I understand that social media helps people communicate more easily, but I still believe that it causes more harm than good. One of the biggest problems is mental health. Many people compare their appearance, lifestyles, or achievement with others on social media. Because people usually only post the best moment of their lives, others may feel insecure or think that their own lives are not good enough. Over time, this can increase stress, anxiety, and low self-confidence, especially among teenagers.
I understand your concern, Kania, but I think social media itself is not the main problem. The real issue is how people use it. Social media can also create positive experience and emotional support. For example, many people use social media to stay connected with family and friends who live far away. Students can also communicate easily to discuss assignments, share information, or help each other study. So I believe that social media can strengthen relationships if it used wisely.
I respect your opinion, Safa, but in reality, many people cannot control the social media usage. Social media platforms are designed to keep users scrolling for long periods of time. As a result, many students spend hours online with realizing it instead of focusing on studying or doing productive activity. They become distracted by entertainment content. This habit can reduce productivity, waste time, and even affect academic performance.
Okay, thank you, Silva. I agree that excessive use of social media can be harmful, but we also cannot ignore the benefit it provides. Social media gives people easy access to educational content and important information. Nowadays, students can learn many things online, such as language, design, business skills, and many other topics. There are so many educational content creators who share useful content for free. Because of social media, learning has become more accessible and flexible for everyone.
Another important issue is the spread of fake information. On social media, news spreads very quickly, but not all information is accurate. Many users share content without checking the fact first. This can create misunderstanding, panic, and even conflict among people. In some cases, fake news can influence public opinion in negative ways. I think this is one of the reasons why social media can be dangerous if people are not careful.
That is true, but social media can also spread useful information quickly. During emergencies or important events, people can receive updates much faster through social media than through traditional media. For example, information about natural disasters, scholarship, or public announcement can reach many people in a short time. In addition, social media gives everyone the opportunity to share knowledge and raise awareness about important issues.
I still think the negative impact are strong because social media can easily become addictive. Many people feel need to constantly check notification, likes, or comment. Some people even lose sleep because they spend too much time online at night. This addiction can affect health, concentration, and daily routines. If people become too dependent on social media, it can reduce the quality of the real life activity and relationship.
Okay, Sigma, but on the other hand, social media has created many opportunities for people. Small businesses can promote their products online without cost, and many individuals can build careers through content creation. Artists, photographers, musicians, and other creative people can share their talents with a wider audience. Social media also helps people express themselves and connect with communities that have similar interests. So I believe social media can bring many positive impacts when people use it responsibly and with self-control.
To conclude, from the Igri side, we believe that social media creates more negative impact, especially on mental health, productivity, and real-life interaction. Although it has some benefits, excessive use and lack of control makes social media more harmful for society today.
In conclusion from this Igri side, we believe that social media is only a tool and its impacts depends on the user. If people use it responsibly, social media can provide communication, education, opportunities, and many positive benefits in daily life. Thank you.
Thank you to all the panelists for these insightful discussions. Today's debate shows us that social media can be both beneficial and harmful. While it helps people communicate, learn, and share information, it can also affect mental health, productivity, self-confidence if used excessively. And at the end of the day, the impact of social media depends on how wisely we use it. And thank you everyone for your attention.